Simple, powerful, corn to popcorn. Deep within the fertile soil, a vibrant titan of nutrients is born. Raw, they arrive by the millions, a flood of deep violet, still carrying the dust of the earth, entering Flirtsblues. The first stage is a violent purge. In the rotary desoiler, the beetroots are tumblers. Submerged in an ozone vortex, the harvest is sanitized. Millions of high-energy bubbles score. The leathery skin is polished to a shine. Specialized brushes prepare the surface, ensuring that the bagasti, a blade of pure kinetic energy. High velocity strip away the moisture, leaving the beet molds. The digital eyes take command. Every root is scanned in 3 dimensions, categorized by its internal density. Gravity and air work in tandem. Based on surgical data, each beetroot is diverted to its destiny. Fundesicalix, a mark of industrial pride. The finest specimens receive their digital passport, a starburst. Clean, sorted, and vibrant. The preparation is over. Now, we enter Clickturbo. The thermal shock is absolute. Under intense steam pressure, the leathery skin is fulls. Precise water jets purge the loosened debris, unveiling a raw, unblemished orb of pine. Anatomy: automated blades decapitate the root with sub-millimeter precision, crixing at the speed of sound. The beetroot is transformed into a deck of purple cards, each one football cards. From discs to dice, a high-pressure grid shatters the fibers into thousands of identical cubes, infinite ribbon. Through continuous rotation, the solid root is spun into a delicate violet lace. Heat is the preservative. A rapid blanching process seals the cellular walls, locking the beet red pigment. Total suspension. Nitrogen at -40 degrees turns the succulent cubes into frozen amethysts. High-speed sensors analyze the light reflected from every cube, purging any outlier that deviates from the sacred violet spectrum. Vacuum pressure collapses the film around the harvest, creating a hermetic seal that will defend the flavor for months. Vacuum pressure collapses the film around the harvest, creating a hermetic seal that will defend the flavor for months. Now, we draw the blood of the root. Tons of raw pressure crush the pulp, releasing a torrent of dark refinement at the molecular level. A series of ceramic membranes strip away the pulp, leaving behind a liquid so thin. The power of rotation. At 15,000 RPM, force separates the essence from the water. Water is the excess. In the vacuum of the evaporator, the juice is reduced to a heavy, dark molasses. A crystalline miracle. We isolate the natural sugars, creating a pale violet crystal, the crimson payload. Clear glass becomes a vessel for the violet nectar, filled in an oxygen-free chamber to prevent shootings. The final lock. A vacuum seal is established, ensuring that the first person to smell the earth will list. Speed and precision. Robotic arms group the units for the global journey, moving with the cold feet. Amber heat lamps pull the moisture out over 12 hours, turning soft sliced. A symphony of salt and acid. A microscopic vinegar bonds to the purple chips. In the spray dryer, the liquid is turned into a fine violet dust, a concentrated powder for the world of superfoods. A mountain of violet snow. The powder is collected and stabilized, ready to become the heart of ink, nature's ink. We produce the world's most powerful natural dye, a pigment so intense it can turn eternal. Beet nectar is transformed into chewy gems, a healthy indulgence born from the industrial furnace. Concentrated extracts are blended into luxury emulsions, bringing the beetroot's antioxidant power to the skin. By subjecting the juice to the weight of the deep ocean, we sterilize the product while keeping the flavor alive. Nothing was wasted. The remnants of the harvest are fed into the digester, creating the very methane that powers. The final polish. Every supplement is coated in a protective shimmer, a signal to the consumer that bricklers. From the dust of the field to the peak of the lab, the journey of the beetroot is a testament to the power of bricklers. From the dust of the field to the peak of the lab, the journey of the beetroot is a testament to the power of the yolks. The crunch is an exact science. In the acoustic lab, we measure the frequency of the snap, guaranteed.
a digital tattoo for every bottle. Laser serialization creates a permanent rid of the harvest. We test against the edge of the world. In the vacuum chamber, we ensure our seals can withstand the pressure of leaking.
The secondary armor is forged. Automated case erectors build the cardboard fortresses that will carry harvest through the works. The robotic ballet reaches its crescendo. High-speed Delta robots move with sub-millimeter precision, a skin of clear, high-tension film. In the heat tunnel, the pallet is bound in a translucent cocoon. In the digital cathedral of the warehouse, machines rule the dark. Thousands of cases of violet nectar are magistrate of the sanctuary. High-pressure foam purges every trace of the harvest. Logistics at full throttle. Refrigerated fleets are locked to the facility, creating a sterile bridge for the transfer of the wool. As the night deepens, the violet pulse spreads. A never-ending fleet departs the factory, carrying the... Designed for the spotlight, retail-ready displays are assembled, ensuring that the first time cold, pure, and vibrant, the consumer holds 1,000 industrial miracles in the palm of their hand. Behold the nectar of the root, a liquid gemstone, captured through fire, pressure, and the relentless. In the hands of an artist, the industrial extract becomes a pigment of luxury, a fusion of culinary hairless. The cycle is infinite. What began in the soil returns to the soil, a sustainable loop that feeds the just. A new day begins at the altar of production. The fire in the furnace never dies, and the affected, the beetroot. This is the Industrial Revolution, rendered in deep magenta.